Hey guys, if I'm back again with another video. So I bought this around a month ago. I bought it in a very good price, and he even provided a brand new body in there, which I already did the shoe glue. I already did the service with all the bearings. He even provided the bearings as well for servicing. And the only issues that I have with this car is the servo. But it turned out when I pull it out, to the gear to be need to be restacked, and that's all it needs. So just try to make it as quick as I can. With all Max owner, they all have this issue when the rear just sagging and start hitting and the chassis slab. There's basically an expensive fix for this one, which is basically using the 6S Sledge shocks. You can basically just buy this GPM springs. The gold one is for the rear one, silver one is for the front, and this is only costing me like around 24 AUD, Australian dollars. And what you need to do is basically, in the forum they says that you need to put 70 at the back and 50 at the front. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put 70 all around. So we have both shocks in comparison today. I just took this one out from the rear shock, so that's the stock one in there, and that's the GPM springs for the rear one. As you can see, it's longer, and this one is stiffer even though it's longer as well. This one is quite easy to fix too. Yeah, so there you go. We'll use that GPM springs, 70 weight on the rear, and the silver springs at the front. I think that will be longer as well, as you can see in there, and I'll put 70 weight as well for the front. I'm done replacing the rear springs. It looks beautiful, and it's the most easiest shocks that I ever work with. I like this design in here, the one that you put in a screw there. This is actually a very good design though. Like, I don't think anyone will have any leaking problem. In my opinion, I don't think anyone will have leaking problem with these shocks. It's such a good quality shocks. Okay, so I didn't realize that I did not even take this video before, but previously with the standard spring, even though with the collar is all the way down, it's sitting something like this, just slightly like that. But this is with the new spring, 70 weight at the rear, and the collar is all up. It's looking good. So this is the stock springs from the front shocks, and this is the GPM spring for the front shock. In tension wise, they feel the same. The only difference, I feel that this is just longer. So yep, as I mentioned earlier, I don't think anyone have an issue with the front spring, but since it's part of the package, so let's just put it in. Hey, can you stand behind me, please? Good job, right? Hey, good job, right?